Nakasuot na agad mamaya. Ito.
Okay na. Seryoso ha? Ano talawa? Seryoso ako. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the world greatest super top model of the millennium. Let's start with Miss Jane. Jane is wearing a bright red blouse and a twist. Best factor, the world mask blazer. Yan po ay galing sa akin. Salamat po. Kaso sa kanya, so kasa rin yan sa akin. Number 2, Miss Liza. Liza is wearing a citrus white blouse. Yun yung galing sa akin, sa kanya kumbol. And naman, plus factor is the black blazer. Aking din po galing yan. Tama ang pagsuot. Congratulations. Thank you. Next, Miss Lindy. Miss Lindy is wearing a striped polo and a pants. And the plus factor, the native coconut stylish hat. Hindi po galing sa akin yan. Galing po yan kay Theo. And next, Donovan. Donovan is wearing a black shirt and a jeans. Plus factor, hintayin muna po natin bumaba at masyadong nagmamagaling. Is none other than a citrus shawl from Winter Sonata Blue. Ay, hindi mo pala, masakit lang ang lalamunan niya.